How to get glowing skin for under $15. Hello, I'm Alli Drew and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get glowing skin for under $15. I have nothing on my skin today except for a serum. I have eye makeup and some lipstick on. When I worked as an attorney, I would use this product on my skin, and I would walk into a courtroom and I would get more compliments. People would say, "Your skin is glowing. It's got an SPF of 30 and it brightens up your skin. It's miraculous." It does have a fragrance though. I reached out to Hawaiian Tropic to see if they would do a fragrance-free option, and I'm still waiting to hear back from them. It is vegan and it is cruelty-free though. So here goes with applying the Hawaiian Tropic. I just love this product. It's so inexpensive and I get such a good result with it. And I buy 3 bottles of it at a time because of the price. I also like Paula's Choice sunscreen when I want more of a matte finish. I like this product, but it is $50 for 2 ounces, where the Hawaiian Tropic is $15 for 8 ounces. That's why I buy 3 bottles at a time. And I went to a birthday party over the weekend, and it was outside in a kind of covered area. And I got all these compliments on my skin, and I did use the Hawaiian Tropic. And I also use the Hawaiian Tropic in Arizona over the summer. It was 115 degrees there, and the Hawaiian Tropic really did protect my skin from the sun, so it's a good sunscreen as well. I don't think the lighting in here is going to do it justice, but it really does give you a beautiful glow. It's worth trying because it's so inexpensive, and if you don't like it, you can use it on your hands or use it at the pool. So this is the after look, and you could really just go out like this with some eye makeup and some lipstick. But if you want to try it with using the Hawaiian Tropic with some powder, some blush, and some foundation, I will show you how to use it with those products as well. So stay tuned, but this is the after look. So I'm back here again with my clips. So I'm going to show you how to use the Hawaiian Tropic with some foundation and some blush and some powder. So if you're going to use some of your own foundation, you can. If you would like to try this is Dior's Color Correcting Cream. This stuff is really, really great. And as great as it is, one day I'm going to make my own color correcting cream because I think we can do even better. And you don't want to put foundation or this everywhere. We're going to spot treat. So we're going to put a little bit of the color correcting cream or your foundation everywhere you want to cover up some redness or some blemishes or any place where you want to hide some of those. I call them battle scars. And I'm 64 years old, so I have a few battle scars. I have some on my chin, but mostly I have redness around my nose. And, you know, we don't want to cover up the glow we got from the Hawaiian tropic. And, you know, I don't understand these young women on TikTok and Instagram who put all this foundation over their beautiful young skin. Why do they do that? Show off your beautiful young skin. Anyway, just spot treat. Less is more. And then take powder. And the powder that I like is this hourglass powder. I just love this hourglass powder. The color that I'm using is called Ambient. And again, less is more. And I'm going to use this brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. It's their powder brush. And again, less is more. And this powder is going to enhance the glow that you got from the Hawaiian tropic. Again, less is more. Just put it maybe in your T-zone. It's not going to cover up the glow you got from the Hawaiian tropic. Again, just a little bit. And I'm going to use a MAC blush. This is called Hush Tone by MAC. And the brush I'm using is just a brush I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just putting just a little bit on my cheeks because, you know, I don't want to be one of these people that gets out in the light and you can see all my makeup. I like to have a nice, clean looking face in the light. And I'm just putting a little bit of blush on my cheeks, going up my cheekbones. And that's it. Just a nice light makeup look. It's very clean. It's very natural and glowy. Please let me know in the comments if you like this look, if it works for you. That's my video. Remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.